anyways, today I'm going to be mixing some slime and making a slime smoothie, but I'm only going to mix 3 slimes together. So let me get the other ones. So I have these 2 and this big jar of slime. Sorry. So I'm going to get this one out. And I'm going to just put it right there. And I'm going to get this one out. This silver one, the silvery one. I'm going to put it right here. Somewhere safe. Anyways, I'm going to get out my yellow slime. Sometimes I just get out a marker for my thing and take it out. So, yeah. This yellow one just has a couple of foam beads in there. So, it's like simple. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get this slime. And I wonder how it turns out when I mix the blue in it. So, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. So, here how it just looks when you mixing it. So, just mix it. So, yeah. So cool. I'm gonna get this silver one and see. This is so cool. So, yeah. So, this.
Are you eating 2?
What?
Are you eating 2 pork chops?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No wonder.
Mom, I was trying to make a first YouTube video.
Oh, sorry.
And you ruined it.
Sorry.
Sorry guys, I'm back. My mom was like, are you gonna eat 2 pork chops? I'm like, what? Ever, Mom. So anyways, so I got this right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to this jar. By the way, I reused the maraschino, maraschino cherry jar. I washed it out and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. It looks weird. So yeah. I'm just gonna do that. Stretch it and put it in this jar, and then I'm gonna put some glitter. Okay. So hard. Oh my gosh. I gotta do that again. And next time I'll try to make some Stranger Things slime. Love Stranger Things. Stranger Things is my favorite. So I'm gonna put that in there. So this is how big it is. So I'm gonna get some glitter. So wet in here. Okay, so I got some glitter. I guess so. Anyways, I'm gonna add purple. So let's see. I'm just gonna add it on the top because it's always pretty on the top. So I added enough purple, just a lot. I'm gonna put it in this little cup again. Put it in there. And oh my gosh, I'm just gonna smooth it out. So yeah. So here how it looks. So I'm gonna leave it in there, and then I'm gonna show you. So yeah. Now. So I got this giant squishy. I didn't tell you I was going to tell you some of the squishies that I had. So yeah. So I have this cookie squishy. It's super squishy. So cute. You can get it at Justice. And yeah, you can also get it any place. Just got it from Justice. So it's very squishy. Oh no, I got glitter all over it. Dang it. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put it back in my little squishy thing. And where my other squishies are. Okay. I'm not sure if all my squishies are in here, but I'm gonna check. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I have some in here. So I got this little emoji. It's so squishy, like I want to hang it on my backpack. See? It's like stretchy, I guess. I'm gonna put it that in this little thing. Then I got a macaroon. It's so cute. So yeah. It's like not stretchy. So it's right here. So yeah. So I don't got a lot of squishies, but I do have this one. It is super cute. I got it at HEB for, I don't know. But, okay. So I dropped one of my squishies out of here. So you see this big one? It was $14.90 at Justice, as you can see here. I don't know if you can see, but $14.90. Well, maybe you can't. But yeah, so I got this strawberry. It's so squishy. Like, look, the little stem came out, so I'm all on my stem. But it's okay. It's alright. It's not like the whole thing tore. So it's very slow rising, and it's like stretch it, poke it, and stuff. And I think those are all my squishies, but I do have one more. Yeah, this is my last one. It's a donut. It's a chocolate donut, and it had sprinkles as you can see right here. It had little sprinkles, but some of them came out, and I have them in a little container like this. And yeah, so yeah, this one is so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you something else. So this is my JoJo Siwa doll, and it's like scenes. I got it for my birthday actually, so I'm like, what? So that's all for my video, guys. Maybe I'll make one tomorrow, later, but thanks for watching my video. Bye.